What's going on, everyone? Today is November the 30th, 2023. We're going to do a price prediction update into the market for Solana. You guys can see right here off of our price chart that we are going to conduct a price prediction for the market in Solana. You guys can see here on the daily time frame. Let me zoom in on this price chart real quick. You guys can tell that we anticipated that Solana was going to go lower in price. It did from when we did our price prediction on November the 17th, 2023. But I want you all to notice something off of the chart that lets you know that the market in Solana is not as bearish or weak as what some people may say. You can tell it by this area of support into the market in Solana right here. You guys can see on these 4 trading days, the 13th and the 14th of November, as well as on the 21st and on the 22nd, that the market there is where the buyers are keeping price from going lower. And as long as that area holds, guess what? Yeah, Solana's not going to go lower in price. This is where the buyers has determined price to be fair and reasonable, and they came in and supported price. So pretty good call for us to see the market move down initially right here on the 21st and on the 22nd. That's around 12.7% move lower. So let's go ahead and get that price prediction out the way, because like I said, since we got these 4 trading days here creating an area of support, there's no need for us to expect that Solana is going to go lower right now. Okay, so obviously our price prediction is going to be for Solana to go up in price. And when we say that, you got to pay attention to how high the market may go, though, because that is where the sellers are. So we got the buy zone down here. The sell zone is up there at the top of the bar. Let's look at the market in Solana at the top of the chart. Here's Solana on the 2-day time frame. You guys can see even here that we are noticing that the demand in Solana is still there, especially during this time period, during these 6 days, to where we saw selling, got the buyers, saw more selling coming to the market in Solana, and then the market is still staying elevated. If you guys can see it even here, we're kind of seeing a slight trend higher in price. All that symbolizes that the market definitely is holding on to the demand here. This on the 3-day chart right now, starting out on the new 3-day price bar, but the last printed 3-day price bar, market was able to close higher than the previous 3 days. Here it is on the 5-day chart. I love the 5-day chart. This looks fantastic, especially after we saw this weakness right here in Solana. The market still went up higher in price, and even on this current 5 days, the market is closing up there towards the high of the bar. I'm not going to rely upon this current 5-day price bar because we still have a day and 13 hours left, but it looks pretty bullish right now. Here it is on the weekly. Take a look at Solana on a 2-weekly chart. Here it is on the 3, 5 weeks. Let's look at this on the monthly time frame, since we're about to conclude for the month of November. And you guys can tell in the next 12 hours, 6 minutes, we are currently getting a strength indicator off of the monthly time frame. Again, this shows you how strong the market is in Solana. 330-minute chart. Again, take a look. Okay, so I'm going to anticipate that Solana is going to go higher in price. I want you all to notice, though, this is a minimized area of selling too. Okay, so we may not see the market in Solana break above 62 bucks. If it doesn't, that is the reason why. It's because there's sellers in this zone down here around 62 bucks. Okay, but I'm going to look forward to the price in Solana to trend up higher in price. That would have to be our first target, though, $62. And then my second target is going to be around like 64.25. So let me put this on the chart. So $62. Let's do it at the high, like 62.16. It's 2.5%. Okay. Next target is going to be around 64.50, which is around 6.5% move higher. And then the third target is going to be all the way up there at the high of these 7-hour bars, which is $67.75, which is 11, almost 12% move up in price. So let me go ahead and put this back on the daily time frame. Scoot this over. Let's go ahead and get rid of this line here, and we're going to extend this overall trend into the market in Solana. I really think that the market, though, is trying to follow this trend. So let's get rid of this one, and we're going to focus the market price action on this current trend that price is on. Okay, so you guys got these 2 sell zones up here at the top. Let me get rid of this one because I think the market's going to try to top that, move it above that sell zone, and we're going to pay attention to this upper sell zone in the market in Solana. Okay, so that is it. I am finished. Welcome everyone to the channel. If you guys are new, hit that like button, and also subscribe, because I am not here to give you any fear, FUD, or FOMO. I am simply here to show you how you're supposed to move in the market without all of the hype. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.